What up, what up, what up? It's your favorite YouTuber's favorite YouTuber. That's right, y'all. It's your boy, the Options Boss, sliding up on y'all. I hope all is good. I hope you guys enjoyed yourselves and made some money on this first day of the new year, this first trade day of the new year. And I hope you're ready to study so we can be prepared to make some money the remainder of 2022. So, with that being said, guys, I'm going to talk to you about a few things. I'm going to talk to you about a couple of things we need to keep in mind while trading in 2022. I'm going to talk to you about what the market did today, of course, and we're going to gain some knowledge. So with that being said, veterans of the channel, go down below, like the video, drop a comment. Every time you do, your support helps my channel grow. For that, I appreciate you guys so much. Also, watch this video from beginning to end. When you watch this video from beginning to end, you're going to learn throughout the entire process, and the YouTube algorithm is going to love me, and for that, I'm going to love you. And if you're new to the channel, you need to go down below, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, and click all notifications. And when you do that, YouTube is going to make sure when I drop these Get Money Jewels, you get it first things first, right off the press, so we can put these game plans and strategies right into play the very next day, as soon as the market opens. Now, with that being said, guys, shout out to 2022. We're here now, and the market got open in a bullish way. It wasn't, a super strong bullish day, but it was moderately bullish, and I did appreciate that. And we were able to have a green day in the options group chat, and I'm always happy for that, of course. One of the things I was looking for was SPY to take out 478. If SPY took out 478, that would have set us up to make a run to 480 and, possibly all 52-week highs and things of that nature. However, we didn't get the 478. I think we finished the day around 477 and change. Not sure what's happening after hours just yet. And that was good enough. But definitely want to take out 478. Hopefully we could do that tomorrow and make our march towards 480. That's what I'm really looking forward to. So we can, like I said, take out them all-time highs. But that being said, it was a strong day for DIA. And that's ticker symbol DIA. That's the Dow Jones right there. DIA finished the day around 365, which is a good area for them. Very likely for them to take out 52-week highs very shortly in very short order. So I'm bullish on DIA right now. QQQ got off to a weak start today. It really started. It started green and then it pulled back big time, but it was able to come back and finish the day over 400. And a key level I'm looking for on QQQ would be over 404. Over 404, QQQ can set itself up to run into 52-week highs. And it's crazy because it doesn't seem like QQQ has been moving that well, yet it is very close to 52-week highs. If we could take out that 404 area, we definitely could be on a beeline for 52-week highs there. And that's very important because if you guys know or don't know, QQQ is basically all the tech stocks, and options traders, the best thing that can happen to an options trader is when the tech stocks start moving. When the tech stocks are moving, it gives you great opportunity to make a lot of money, and that's what we all here for, to make a lot of money, right? I know I am. IWM, the small cap. Small cap had a great day today. It finished up over 225 after a brief pullback, and that was good news because you want IWM to be strong. When IWM is strong, it typically signals strength throughout the entire market when the small cap stocks are moving. So I was happy to see IWM finish up over 225. And full disclosure, my paid options group chat, we found ourselves in some IWM calls. So I am still bullish on IWM finishing above that 225 area, even with the pullback from earlier today. But the big news of the day, the big story of the day was two big stories. There was Tesla, and Tesla went nuts, guys. Tesla jumped up over $100 today. I think they finished up around $11.99 a share, and after hours I saw them go over $1,200. So we made some good money in Tesla calls in the paid options group chat, and I'm actually swinging some more Tesla calls. So we're going to see how they play out the rest of the week, the rest of next week, etc., etc. And also Apple. Apple hit what, $3 trillion valuation today because their stock kept going up and up and up. So Apple was super bullish today, and we made money on Apple calls in the options group chat. And if you're not familiar with the options group chat, my paid options group chat is a great place for new options traders and veteran options traders who don't have a lot of success by themselves to get in the group chat. I tell you basically what I'm doing on a given day, how I see the market, give you a lot of inside information to help you get familiar with the market and in the process maybe make some money for yourself. So if you're interested in the options group chat, you should definitely drop a comment and let me know, and I could get you in there. The options group chat is $65 the first month, $120 every month after that. So it's a great value for the type of money that we can make in the options chat. That said, Apple had a big day. Apple went over the $3 trillion valuation. We made money there, and we're in more Apple calls, so we're going to see how that goes the rest of the week. I was very excited to see what some of the big stocks did today. However, today we started a new journey in the options group chat, and I want you guys to take this journey with me. And this new journey really consists of a few simple things. One of them being, don't be aggressive when the market don't allow you to be aggressive. Anybody that know me, that has traded with me or spoke with me about trading, know me as a very aggressive trader. I jumped in lots of trades, and most of them won. Of course, some of them lost, but we definitely made more money than we lost. However, this year I'm taking a more measured approach. On days when it's not, that great of a day, I'm not going to trade, or I'm not going to trade that aggressively. And I want you to do the same thing, because what will happen is if you skip out on those days, you're going to limit the losses that you take on those days. So your losing days will not be as big as your winning days are going to be. And that's a great scenario. That's a great position to put yourself in if you want to have a lot of wins this year, which of course I want to have a lot of wins and I want to make a lot of money. And if you want to do that and you have days where you lose, which is inevitable, but they're small losses and they're, not big numbers, and then you have days where you win and they're big numbers, then there you go. You got yourself on the right path right there. So that's what I want you guys to focus on. Don't be super aggressive every day. There's nothing wrong with seeing the market. For example, the market closed around that 477 area. If we open tomorrow around that 477 area, I don't plan to be aggressive. I already know that. If we open red, but we open above 474.50, I'm not going to be aggressive on puts. I already know that because I know the channel that we're in currently. And essentially what I'm trying to do is I'm trying not to trade aggressively when we're stuck in a channel. And what I mean stuck in a channel, I mean we're playing a certain range on SPY, QQQ, etc. Consistently. We're not getting too low, we're not getting too high. So that's one of the things that I'm focused on this year. That's one of the things I want you to be focused on this year. When you see us trading sideways, sit down. Don't buy calls, don't buy puts. Just relax. And remember, God willing, there's always another day. You can get up the next day. You still got your buying power. You can jump in whatever you want and make some money. Also, if you can get that down pat, I also want you to keep this in mind this year. And I want you to keep this in mind going forward. When you're trading, you don't have to be aggressive and buy 10, 11, 12, 13 contracts. Unless you're, confident in a position. I opened a few positions today where I only had one contract. And I was fine with that because early I wasn't super confident. And as I got more confident as the day went on certain positions like Apple and Tesla, et cetera, I was able to add more contracts as I went along. And that's how you want to do things. So you want to keep in mind, start with small positions. Don't be aggressive unless the market is giving you the opportunity to be aggressive. If you can get those two things down, you're definitely on a path for success. Thirdly, this year, guys, and I really mean this, I want you guys to work on reading charts and learning charts. It was one of the biggest differences that has ever happened to me in trading options. It's starting to be able to read and learn charts and things of that nature. So I could look at a play and I could see where maybe I should exit, or whether it's green or red. I could see, hey, this play got a chance to bounce right here and things of that nature. And that has made light years difference for me. And it's going to make a light years difference for you. So I want you guys to really focus on learning how to read charts. I have a video where I broke down a few charts right here. I'm going to link it. I want you guys to check that video out. I have several videos like that on this channel. And also, I always tell you guys about Tier 3. If you are interested in really learning about options and charts and the psychology of trading and things of that nature, you really need to get yourself a Tier 3 on my YouTube channel membership. And I usually put the link in my description box on every video I make. So click on that link, sign up for Tier 3. And in Tier 3, I break down charts all the time. We have a Sunday chart class where you can come to the class and we'll break down every stock you ask about, every stock that the other members ask about. And it's a real good group. And I got a lot of people in Tier 3 who have really took their knowledge and education from point A to point B to point C and so forth since they've gotten in Tier 3. So that's one of the things that I'm really proud about 2021 is developing that Tier 3 channel membership. Get yourself in Tier 3 and you will really learn. Listen, you really need to have those 3 things down. I'm talking about picking your spots on when to be aggressive. I'm talking about going in with smaller positions. And I'm talking about learning charts. If you get those 3 things down, you're going to have a big year in 2022. And I had a big year in 2021. And I'm going to link a video right up here where I'll show you guys a couple of big plays that we had from 2021 in my paid options group chat. Check that video out, guys. And remember, you can always be a boss with the options boss. You already know, guys, in 2022, I'm a holler when I holler.